the pool, they begin to fence off the area that they will have to dig by placing wooden stakes around the area. This fence will also have the function of edging the pool, so they decorate it well. Then they begin to dig the rectangular hole. This procedure usually takes a lot of time. Once the hole is finished, the boys cover the sides of the pool with a hydrophobic substance that will not let the water filter into the ground. They proceed by coloring the pool blue to give it a touch of modernity. Then they take care of connecting the pool to a river so that it fills itself up as much as needed.